I did not go natural on purpose. Let me explain. Hi guys, I'm Natalie, also known as the Natalie Kate on social media. I am a natural hair and beauty content creator, and today I want to share a little bit about my natural hair journey with you. I went natural in July of 2011, if I'm remembering correctly. So that's about over 10 years that I've been natural now. I did not go natural on purpose. Let me explain. I ended up going natural because I had braids in. I had a lot of heat damage from constantly heat styling. My hair fell out. My hair said, no girl, we're not doing this anymore. Obviously, I just had to cut off the little bits that were still hanging around, and I decided that I was just going to let my hair grow out as it was and find a way to take care of it and style it as it naturally was. My journey has definitely been a very interesting journey for me. I did learn a lot online at the time. I remember the first one I found was the Natural 85 Natural Hair channel. So that was kind of the basis of how I learned about caring for my natural hair. I initially did not feel very comfortable or very beautiful with my hair for the fact that it was natural and I wasn't used to my natural texture. The other reason was because my hair was short and I wasn't used to that, and I was very used to making myself look like a certain standard of what my hair and my presentation needed to be, and this was completely different. Because of the environment and the place that I lived in, I was surrounded by lots of people with a specific kind of hair type. Hair was not that hair type, and so I felt like I needed to become something that was outside of what I naturally was. So initially there was a huge learning curve, and I realized that I needed to expose myself more to natural hair content so that I can get used to and also realize the beauty in my hair. Learning to take care of my hair was definitely a mix of me experimenting and also me relying on resources. I have a lot of fun with it. I play around with different styles. I try out different products. That's how I ended up becoming a content creator. My favorite thing about going natural has been learning to know myself better, learning to be more confident in who I naturally am, learning to embrace what is uniquely mine. I honestly and truly would not have it any other way.